Welcome back to the channel. I am Carla, or Miss Lovely, whatever you want to call me. Welcome back to another vlog. So today, guys, as you just saw from the previous clips, I just got a few grocery items because it is another recipe that I saw on TikTok, okay? Blame it on TikTok, because TikTok will have you out here trying recipes, child. Trying different stuff. Discovering new hacks and all that. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, then hey, girl, hey, how are you? If you are an oldie but a goodie, what's good, what's up, what's poppin'? Comment down below. Put it in the comments right now, oldie but a goodie. I'm going to put it on the screen right here. Hashtag oldie but a goodie. So yeah, so I'm trying a new recipe today, and I've cooked something similar to this, but not exact how this recipe calls for it. So if there's anything new that I can try that I feel like my family might like, I am here for it. Okay, I am here for it. So I'll show you guys all of the items that I purchased when I get back home. I do got a few other stops I need to make before I get home. So whenever I get home, I will definitely show you guys everything so I can get this video out to you guys. You guys probably won't see this footage until later on in the week. But yeah, guys. So I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing well. Hope your day is going great. I just want to let you guys know that if you're going through anything, which we all are, just know that trouble don't last always. Okay? Trouble never lasts always. So I'm about to run the rest of my errands, and I will call y'all back whenever I get to the house. His house. Okay? I'll call you back. Phew. I'm seriously thinking about getting some braids. I'm already about to start complaining about how hot it is. And I don't want to deal with this hair. I don't want no kind of hair on me. Have y'all seen these? The Cheez-It popped corn. Popped corn, cheesy like popcorn, but it's Cheez-Its. Y'all, they so good. They so good. I think I found this from Walmart the other day. I ain't got them today, but the other day. But let me show y'all what I end up getting from Walmart. Now I already put some of these Propel waters in my husband's my husband's fridge, I'm about to say Frigidaire. I can't talk. I've already put some of these waters in my husband's refrigerator outside in his garage. So when I turn the camera around, you'll see that I do have some missing, but don't worry about it. But y'all know I done picked them up from the store. But anyway. Alright, so I got some of these Propel waters. They are sugar-free electrolytes Propel. I got the flavor grape. I love these because they give me the electrolytes. They make me feel all shimmy good inside. I picked up some cheesy scallop potatoes. That's not going to be for the meal that I'm going to cook tonight, but I just picked that up. I picked up this Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. If you guys have not tried this before, I definitely recommend you try this. It's really, really good. It adds a lot of additional flavor to the butter. I got some country crock, of course. I got some double stuffed Oreos for the kiddos. I'm going to put in the cookie jar. I got a green onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. I got these juices right here. I got the Pina Colada Tropicana, the Peachy Pineapple, and then I also picked up the Island Punch. This is a new seasoning, not new seasoning, but this is a new flavor that I saw. Kinder's, this is the wood-fired garlic with hardwood smoke flavor. So I love this brand of seasoning. And I saw this one. This is one of the ones that I haven't tried before. So I got a thing of that. I got some garlic powder and some onion powder. Some chicken broth, as you guys can see. This is something new that they had. I have never seen this before. Walmart always got the new. Cornbread swirls. So I'm going to give this a whirl. That rhyme. Cornbread swirls. Give it a whirl. Cornbread swirl. Give it a whirl. Hey. Okay. Anyway, Carla, come on. And then I got a can of the cream of mushroom and a cream of chicken. And I got a bag of onions. So that's everything I ended up picking up from Walmart this trip. I'm trying to figure out what I need to do next. I don't know what I need to do next. I really want to cut a piece of cake, but my husband ain't even cut his birthday cake yet. Oh, and thank y'all so much for the birthday wishes that y'all, for the few of you that gave birthday wishes to my husband. Thank y'all so much. I really, really appreciate it. Let me bring y'all down some. Really appreciate the love that y'all showed to my husband for his birthday. I got him a cake. He got a few gift cards, and I got a trip that he's going to be going on. So I paid for him to go on the trip, but that's later in the year. But anyway, let me put up my little grocery before the kids get home and they try to devour these cookies. So I'm gonna put up my grocery, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my dinner started. Dinner started. So this Island Punch I've had before. This other one I ain't had before. This is the one, Peachy Pineapple. I don't know if this is a new flavor or not, but I've never tried this one before, so I'm about to try this one real quick. Peachy Pineapple. All right, shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Ow. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. All right, so I'm about to try this and see what this one is like. Peachy Pineapple. Actually, it's called Peachy Pineapple Paradise. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, that's real good. That's real good, y'all.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip drip. Straight up out the objects, I'm a big trip. If I got a pot of lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hide inside of the Maybach and I'm sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some peas, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new coupe. Either you running y'all gang or you suit boot. Got a new rolling bitch and then that pussy voodoo. And I'm that nigga now.
You know you're nasty, No Uber out of my house, you caught a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your baby, I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your baby, I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get you clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like a bitch in love, I feel like a bitch in love. Just to love, yeah, I need all. I feel like a bitch in love, I feel like a bitch in love. Yeah, let's talk, yeah, I need all. Let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you ain't gon' tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like a bitch in love, I feel like a bitch in love.